Now let's take a look at the X2 Pro Super Console. We got this unit sent in to us for review. This is a retro console player that you just connect directly to your TV. So stay tuned for my full review. As you can see, we're going to go through, there's over 65,000 classic games. This is pretty much just a retro gaming console for those that want to play like your old Coleco, your Nintendo, all the way to your Segas, some of your PlayStation titles. Now we'll go into the PlayStation titles in a little bit, but we're going to take a look and I'm going to just skim through, make this a short and sweet video. I don't want to sit here all day long because it's not about that. Everything seemed to work really well. It did come with two controllers that does require batteries, which is the only downfall. It does come with the dongles with the controllers that you just plug into the USBs, then you put your two batteries in, then you're off to the races. You can launch whatever application that you want. You can go through and just select from games. You can select the console that you want to play on. Everything seemed to work really, really well on this little device. Now, I do have a link below that'll take you directly to Amazon for you to purchase this device. At the time of this video, there is a discount, so be sure to take advantage of that. Now, this is a great little unit for those that want to just hook it up without having to mess with emulators, without having to have a computer. If you're wanting to kind of relive some of the old gameplay feel that you had when you were younger, this is very nostalgic, or it was for me. Everything seemed to work really well up until the point whenever I was trying out the PlayStation version of their emulation. Now, again, I didn't go into too much detail because I didn't want to fool around with the emulation because I don't know a lot about the emulation side of this unit. What happened was some of the titles when I tried to play on the PlayStation would have a little stutter, a little jitter, and I contacted the manufacturer who sponsored the unit, and he did tell me that you could go in and adjust the settings to make it run smoothly. I did not go back and adjust it. That's just me being 100% honest with you all here. Now, on this unit, everything other than the PlayStation that I tested seemed to work flawlessly. We had no trouble. Video was amazing. It brought back, like I said, thousands of memories of growing up, playing with my brothers, playing with my sister, because that's how it was. You know, there was no online multiplayer back in the day. You just went on, clicked the game, and just played. There was no online scoreboard. It was the only scoreboard and competition you had at the time was either your friend or your neighbor or your brother or sister. There was just a ton of memories that flooded back in. So if you're looking for a retro unit, be sure to check the link below. That will take you back to make this purchase on Amazon for this unit. Again, this thing ran flawlessly for me, and it's something that I do recommend if you're looking for something straight out of the box that just works perfectly. Again, there will be some tweaking that will probably have to be taken care of in order to make the PlayStation run as smoothly as I preferred. Now, I'm not saying that it didn't work. It just had a little bit of a delay, a little bit of a lag in the video playback for me, and I'm a real stickler for liking frame rates. So with that being said, great unit overall. If you're wanting to play 100% retros, I think you're in for a good time. Just be sure to check that link below where you can make a purchase directly from Amazon, and I hope this video helps somebody. I will catch you in my next video, and if you have a product that you'd like for me to review, do a little unboxing for, please feel free to reach out to me in the email that's down in the description of this video below. Till next time, this has been the Mad Review. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day.